A long time ago, when the Earth was formed, it kept changing and hiding deep secrets in its vast lands. Over millions of years, India moved towards Asia, causing a great collision. This powerful force created the mighty Himalayas, a home to nature's hidden wonders. These tall mountains slowly took shape, rising high into the sky, standing strong and unshakable like time itself. In the summer, when the sun heated the rocks, a mysterious black substance started flowing from them. It came from deep within the earth, like a hidden treasure. Hearing stories of its power, explorers set out early in the morning, climbing high in search of this special gift from nature. In the deep Himalayan forests, monkeys found this strange black substance and ate it out of curiosity. Something amazing happened. They became stronger, full of energy and life, playing more and becoming more powerful than before. From a distance, people watched in surprise, wondering about the secret power inside the substance. And so their journey began. They started collecting this black elixir, believing it could make both body and mind stronger. An expert saint, skilled in ancient medicine, began carefully preparing and refining it. With great care, he created its final, powerful form. A gift of health and strength, made for those who wanted its benefits. People from faraway lands received it and also became stronger, gaining energy from the magic of these mountains. This secret was written in ancient traditional texts. Even the great King Alexander gave it to his soldiers, helping them fight any battle with great strength. With new energy and power, his army became unstoppable, winning many battles. Even famous scholars like Aristotle studied it and wrote about its benefits in ancient books. Centuries passed, generations rose and fell, but the story continues, like these mountains. The Himalayan peaks stand with a silent aura, witnessing a legacy, a power waiting to be rediscovered. And from these ancient peaks comes Shilajit, now reaching the world through Atomy's GSGS, Global Sourcing, Global Sales System. Proudly made in India, Atomy Shilajit capsules bring strength, energy, and new hope to people everywhere.